Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and delicious birria ramen, so let's get started with the video. For this recipe, get your favorite pack of instant ramen noodles. I'm going to be using Shin Ramen. Now set your ramen aside until you're ready to use it. Next, get one package of Trader Joe's beef birria. Then remove the outer packaging and carefully puncture the film with a fork or a knife. Next, place the birria in the microwave on high for 2.5 minutes. Next, carefully remove the film and stir the birria. When you're done, place it back in the microwave and heat it for another 2.5 minutes. Next, pour the birria into a medium-sized saucepan or pot over medium heat. Cook the beef for a few minutes and then take it out of the saucepan. Once you remove the beef from the saucepan, place it on a cutting board and shred it. Once you're finished shredding the beef, set it to the side until you're ready to use it later. Next, add 2 cups of chicken broth to the birria broth. Then add the Shin Ramen flavoring packet and the vegetable packet. Mix everything together until well combined and then bring the broth to a boil. Next, add the ramen noodles and reduce the broth to a simmer. Then cook the ramen noodles for however long it says to on the package. Once the noodles have finished cooking, pour the ramen into a bowl. Then add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. The shredded beef you prepared before, some diced onions, some sliced jalapenos, a sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro, and the wedge of a lime. And this is the finished result! This birria ramen was absolutely delicious. Combining the Shin Ramen flavoring packet with the birria gives the broth a really nice flavor, so I definitely recommend giving this a try. It's also super easy to make and really filling. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!